Hello audience, today I will show you how to create a two-way data graph by using GraphPad Prism 11. Let's start. First, we have to click group and then enter here three application. As I have three, if you have four you can just increase it a little bit. And I need mean, some square error and value, so bear in mind your click should be here and then create. Okay, this is our data sheet, this is navigation panel, so I have to import my data. So this is my data arrangement. Look at here, these are my treatments: 3 replication for control and 3 for salinity and 3 for salinity and arginine. My treatment, these are my treatment, and I have two variety 1 and variety 2. That's why this one is two-way data. One way is treatment and another way is variety. Let's start. First I have to take these 3 data from control, and then go here, then control shift T. So this for variety 1, variety, this one for variety 1, and then enter. This one for variety 2, enter. And these are my treatment. So first one is control, and first one is control, and then salinity, then salinity and arginine. Right, arginine. These 3 are my treatment. So I have used 3 application. Next is for variety 2, control C and then control shift T. Okay, then again for salinity, control C and then control shift T. Again for variety 2. Okay, and then salinity arginine, last one, control C. Just to show you, I take from the very beginning so that you can practice with me. Right, this is for variety 2. Here we go, control shift and T. Okay, these are my data. So if you can click here in the control panel, data, these are my data. So I need median, okay, I need summary data or group data. So summary data looks good. So here is my data for control, salinity, and this one is variety 1. So it's data, and you can write here plant height in centimeter. Okay, and so you can change the color for variety 1. These are my variety 1 and variety 2. So variety 1, variety 2, and this for control treatment, control salinity and arginine. So you can change the graph color. I need different color like green, paper, and no border. Okay, so this one is greener or something. You can choose it by your own, which is red color and no border. I don't like border. Okay, so this is variety 1 and variety 2. And if you want to reduce the gap, just click here graph setting, and then between adjacent will be 10, additional graph between group will be 150, little bit larger. Okay, right, it's a very good graph. Now you want to draw the significance level, so you can click here for lettering and say this one is for, sorry, this one is for A. Okay, a little bit louder. Okay, and click here, and also here for B, this one is for B. You can drag and drop. Okay, and then this one C, something like that. Or if you want that I will show another stuff, click here in box like this way. For example, I want to show this one and this one. These two are highly significant, so you can put it this way, and this one, these two are non-significant, these two, for example, NS. So right, like this way you can put the significance level in your graph, and you can also resize the graph by clicking larger, and then you can analyze the data. I'll show it a little bit later, and then export it in different like TIFF model, GPG, or whatever you want. You can export in this way. This is my data, or you can simply export in PowerPoint. So simple, just click here, it will go to your PowerPoint data. Thank you very much for watching.